When COVID hit, Julia really cheesed the day and took her opportunity.
Julia has been working in kitchens since she was 17 years old, first as a consequence for not finishing school. However, this is how she mastered her way around the culinary world. Fast forward to today, she now lives in Spain, she became vegan, and this is where her story takes a turn.
Hi, I'm Julia and I'm a vegan chef. I started to make vegan cheeses because otherwise I would do therapy right now. I was stuck in my house during March 2020 and I had to find a solution. So as I'm a chef and I love to cook, I've been experimenting with nuts. This is the story about Toma. I invented an alternative to dairy. Toma is not about money and making business. It's about to keep motivated myself. It's just about natural stuff, fresh. It doesn't have any preservative or colorant, and I want to motivate people to keep eating fresh. Ya por mí es perfecto.
Neutral flavored nuts like cashews and blanched almonds mixed with key ingredients like nutritional yeast and
that's the secret ingredient
are what make vegan cheeses creamy, cheesy, and versatile.
I make 3 types of cheese and I work with almond and cashew. I make creamy cheese with cashew. I make a kind of ricotta with almond and I ferment cheese and I age them. My favorite cheese is the cremoso. It's made out of cashew. It's spreadable cheese. It's creamy. It's easy to love it. Oh, mamma mia.
So now it's time to feast and try all this. You guys, this looks amazing. Full spread of vegan cheeses with all its accompaniments, savory, sweet, you name it, let's try it. So let me explain what I got here. I got the ricotta and the cremoso, which is the creamy cheese, sun-dried tomatoes for savory, salty, some bread, of course, because you need bread when you have cheese, and arugula to kind of give that little spice, little kick. Okay, now it's time for the best part. It's time to eat. So of course I'm going to start with the little toasty here. This is the perfect combination. It has a garlicky taste to it, which is perfect because I love garlic. The sun-dried tomato gives it a good acidic flavor, and the arugula for freshness. This is good. All right, the ricotta looks just like cheese. You cannot deny that. You would never know this wasn't made with real milk. And you can accompany it with grapes to add a little sweetness, so let's try it. You get the savory of the ricotta cheese. It's so creamy. It tastes really traditional. And then with grapes, oh, this is perfect. This is definitely something you would want for a cheese platter.
Aside from this amazing spread, Julia's vegan cheese is now being sold at a local Italian pizzeria.
You know, actually what happened, I was really hungry and I was like about to quit my job. So I went with my cheese to a pizzeria down to my street. And I say, look, do you want to try my cheese? It's vegan, it's made out of nuts. And maybe I'm gonna start a new business and I want you to try this. I want you to put this option for vegan people. He said, yes, of course, I wanna try that. When he tried, he said, I'm gonna sell a pizza with your cheese because it's great, it's a great option. You can actually find now a pizzeria in Valencia where they sell my cheese.
Hemos empezado a vender el queso vegano, a tener como alternativa a una pizza, porque creo que es una idea fantástica. La primera vez que lo probé, he quedado muy sorprendido porque la mezcla entre el sabroso y el fruto seco se puede mezclar con 1000 otros productos, complementan los sabores entre ellos sin ningún problema, hacer una buena pizza sin producto lácteo.
I'm proud of what I'm doing and I'm proud that it's not business, it's just keeping my hobby alive. Actually, Toma in Spanish means take it. This is what I did with myself. I got this opportunity to change a bit my lifestyle, and I'm going to keep doing this during the pandemic because I love to cook, I love to experiment, I like to improvise. I'm that kind of chef that never follow rules, so this is my way to do the cheese.
I like her cheeses because they're so much better than the industrial kind. They only have a few ingredients and they taste really, really good.
And that's what Toma it's all about. Take your opportunity, take it.